So guys, this is Wayambo Trader. This is the port of Kuldeep Singh in Suriname, and this is my ship, motor vessel Wayambo Trader. I'm gonna take this ship on my last voyage from Paramaribo Kuldeep Singh to Guyana, Georgetown, Damarara River, and this will be my last voyage. I'm gonna sign off from Georgetown. And here we go.